Have you ever felt like you were so late to start something new? Well, surely you may have. Everyone loves to own their own business and earn money. As this is the 21st century, you don't need to wait for a job to find you. You can create a job yourself and expand it as per your requirement. But the thing is, many people are afraid to take a step, although there are numerous opportunities for you to take. Making money online is the most popular way to earn money nowadays, as it can be done from anywhere that you are comfortable with. But many people are worrying as they feel like it's too late to start something new, and they are just afraid to accept the challenge it gives. So is it too late to make money online? No, you are not late. You still have the time, and let's see how that works. Watch this video and you'll find the perfect answer. Welcome to Clever Money Girl, a place where you can find many tips to become financially stable. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more easy money-making tips. Let's dive into the deep and explore the topic some more. As we mentioned earlier in the video, the internet provides you with a wide range of opportunities. It introduces you to a whole new world, not only with loads of job opportunities, but a lot more. Do you have any idea how this works? Actually, there are jobs that match your skills on the internet. All you have to do is search for them, apply, and make money via them. Sometimes you may be wondering about the successful life those opportunities can offer. How this will happen? How to move on with this? Am I too late to start this? Will this be so hard for me to try? Those are the questions you ask yourself and try to find answers to. The thing is, do not give up. Doesn't matter if you are someone new to the field, you can absolutely earn money online. You will never be late. You have enough time. All you have to do is providing the necessary efforts to acquire your goals. So there are many ways that you can have to make money online, and there are several factors that you should consider when you step up into the process of earning money. First, let's see some ways that you can use to make money online according to the skill you have and your interests. These are just some examples, and you can find a lot more that matches your skills. Well, let's move on. Blogging. One of the most used methods to earn money online is blogging, but the thing is, this blogging will take some time to give you the outcome. To become a successful blogger, you have to have a lot of patience within you. You can use a blog to expose your ideas and information based on one niche, and when your viewers or the audience expands, the more money you will be able to earn. As a blogger, you can have various methods. New bloggers usually start with affiliate marketing and ad networks. Affiliate marketing is just like promoting someone else's product through your blog by reviewing items and providing links. And when that product or the company receives reaches as a result of clicking the link in your blog, you will get paid. You can select any kind of niche for this and start working. One of the largest and best-known affiliate programs is offered by Amazon. So you can select a partner company that you value, use, and trust. Moreover, you can develop your own digital products and develop your own courses, so all the revenue will be received by you. So blogging is one of the best methods to earn a considerable income. So try it if you have the ability to spend some time expecting the results. YouTube. Another way to earn money online is using YouTube. If you love being in front of the camera and editing videos, here comes the best opportunity. You can create your own YouTube channel and upload videos there. You can create any kind of video as you prefer, following the YouTube guidelines. After your channel fulfills the required aspects to apply for monetization, you will receive money from your uploads whenever the view count increases. YouTubers can choose from a variety of monetization methods. These include brand collaborations and sponsorships, affiliate marketing, AdSense, and membership fees. As well, there are several popular niches you can pay attention to. Traveling, shopping, gardening, movies, books, and inspirational stuff are some of them. You have to build up your audience first, and then you will receive money easily without giving too much effort. So why don't you try? Becoming a YouTuber may change your whole life in the future. Freelancing. Freelancing is just like selling something that the client searches for. To become a freelancer, first you have to identify your skills. There are several skills that the clients search for. Actually, we can't list those skills in 4 or 5 points as there is a lot. Among all those skills, writing, virtual assisting, graphic design, and programming are some of them. The most famous freelancing sites currently in use are Fiverr and Upwork. First, you have to make an account on a website that offers plenty of freelancing opportunities based on what you are good at. After creating an account and your portfolio, you have to wait for clients' orders. The client will reach you if they see your performance somewhere else, or even if they reach you through suggestions. After you get an order, you have to work on it as per the requirement of your client in order to satisfy him. So after doing some more work, you will be able to attract more clients, and you will be able to earn a considerable amount as a freelancer. So why are you still waiting when you have plenty of skills within yourself to use to earn money as a freelancer? Teaching. Haven't you seen some online teachers? Maybe you have. Everyone liked the concept of working from home, as you can adjust your own working hours as per your need. So you have the ability to be a teacher or a coach online to teach others what you are capable of. How to become a teacher online and generate money is not quite a hard process. Many websites will pay you for tutoring or teaching English. Websites like Tutor, Magiciers, and Chegg might all be worthwhile to try out of the several dozen available. But selecting a platform is your duty. You'll need to conduct your own research to determine which platforms are most effective for you to become a teacher. Normally, there are plenty of sites that require teachers or coaches to teach relevant subjects. These jobs will get paid per hour, and it can vary according to the platform you are using. $15 per hour is considered an average that a teacher online can earn. Moreover, you can charge more for your time if you have more qualifications, like a degree in a subject you can teach or teaching experience. Well, those are some of the ways of earning money online, and there are quite a lot more. But you must admit that there are some challenges that you will have to face when you are engaging in an online job. You have to face a lot of challenges while you are performing, and all you have to do is move on to whatever happens. Creating a stable position in the field is very hard, so you have to stay in the process for some time to create a unique recognition for you. As well, you'll have to let time decide your progress. Success never comes so fast. You have to spend so much time on something, giving it your maximum dedication and cooperation. Moreover, there will be a competition for sure. Therefore, you have to work wisely and right to become a good service provider. Many people are working so hard to become an entrepreneur. They work hard and always learn from their mistakes to make the progress more successful and effective. There are numerous opportunities online. Select the right one and work hard for it. You are never too late. You can start your own online business right now and can wait for outstanding results. Well, that's all about today's topic. You are never too late to start something new if you have enough courage to implement it. So it is not too late to make money online, as there are plenty of opportunities waiting out there. All you have to do is select what suits the best for you and keep working on it. If you find this video interesting, please share your thoughts in the comment section. We would love to hear your comments. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.